end of season 1 of Amalanga Awafani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Awafani from the 28th to 24th of April 2026 on Monday. Gumete's family suffers a tragedy. Sabelo is in trouble with the Mashonisa. Tsunami threatens Dulas on Tuesday. Grief wreak havoc in the Gumete house. People tend against each other and Gumete loses his prized possession on Wednesday. When Tombi throws the Gumete out, the family feud explodes, forcing the twins back to Engutu in shame. As Tembi's world crumbles, a lawsuit over the Vibes fire exposes the devastating truth. Siyazi learns the tweets million are gone, and the dreams of a dignified funeral turns into a fight for survival and pride on Thursday. Mangubane has a field day, returning a painful favor to Sabelo. Tembi learns that Siyazi is withholding family contribution despite their suffering. Dulas offers of condolences offset Sabelo's anger to the next level. Is there hope at all for this funeral on Friday? Matuma and Gumete reunite in the afterlife, and later worried for their kids continuing life without them. Tsunami is arrested. Star says her goodbyes to Mangubane. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.